Right, today we're actually going to bring a stone, a water stone from my aquarium. I only have one right now. I do require two. This is a 39 gallon and we're going to set this up. I like that this one came with actual suction cup, so you could do a side interview, so you could do a side connection. So I like that. We're going to set it up and see how it looks. We're going to put it maybe on this side, in this corner here. So that's what I'm going to end up doing. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, there's the actual rock and stone. I only put one pump right now, but it looks like it's pumping, but not as much as as that one right now. Maybe if I face it up, but we're gonna give it a couple of days because sometimes it takes a bit for it to actually go through the whole cycle. But it looks like it's working right now. It's giving the oxygen levels for the actual fishes, and I do have shrimp, lots of little shrimp here. So suction cup working well. I got beautiful plants in there. That's why I actually put this in there, make sure everybody's getting enough oxygen. So I got a lot of plants, and I don't want to kill any of the animals I do have. So that's why I end up putting a lot of extra oxygens on these. These guys love it. They live on the plants. I trim it down once in a while. I clean it as much as I can. Change the water constantly, so keep it nice and clean. Got a very powerful pump. So very simple. Enjoy the aquarium. I hope you guys enjoy the video.